Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to Blackout Chrome Trim, updated. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the trim with isopropyl alcohol, then scuff with fine sandpaper and mask surrounding paint. Use primer on bare metal areas, apply even coats of paint or wrap smoothly, and finish with a clear coat if painting. Allow proper drying time and cure, then remove masking and inspect edges for a neat professional result. Gather all materials before you start so the job flows without interruptions. You will need isopropyl alcohol, 400 to 800 grit sandpaper, primer, black paint or vinyl, microfiber cloths, and 3M masking supplies. Also prepare a respirator and gloves for safety. Work in a dust-free environment and keep a heat gun or hairdryer nearby to help vinyl conform to curves. Having everything ready saves time and reduces mistakes. Begin with cleaning and scuffing, then mask the car thoroughly to avoid paint damage. If painting, use primer first, then 2 to 3 thin coats of black with light sanding between coats. If using vinyl, heat the material and stretch gently to avoid bubbles, finishing edges with a squeegee. Let everything cure fully before reassembling. Take your time and inspect panels under good light to catch any imperfections to correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.